Peppa Pig gets grounded. Get it! Oh, I'm not gonna let you get away! Ah! You don't hit me! Man, I'm so bored today. What should I do? I know what I should do. I'm gonna go turn EGAV and Karrot's wheels into train wheels. Oh man, it's such a beautiful day, isn't it, EGAV?
Yup.
Oh, hi Peppa. Why are you here?
Hi Peppa. What are you doing here for?
Yo, what's up, losers? I'm gonna turn your wheels into train wheels! What? No! Please don't turn my wheels into train wheels!
What? No! Don't turn my wheels into train wheels!
No! Duh, enjoy your train wheels, idiots! Right, that's it! I'm fully done for! I tell you! Toontastic the tricks and EGAV's wheels into train wheels! That's it! You're so grounded! Go tell them right now!